Imagine spending countless hours on a music project only to have it sound unpolished. Wanna know why? Today we're going to explore the top mistakes that make your music sound like it was made by an amateur. From poor mixing and mastering to overusing effects, we'll cover it all. Mistake number one: poor mixing and mastering. A good mix should have a clear balance of levels, frequencies, and depth. If you don't take time to learn the basics of mixing and mastering, your music will end up sounding not that great. Mistake number two: low quality samples and presets. We've all been there. We're working on a project, but we need a specific sound or drum pattern. But when we use low quality samples and presets, it can make our music sound cheap, generic, and unprofessional. Mistake number three: inconsistent tempo and timing. This is a mistake that can drive your listeners crazy. When your tempo and timing are off, it can make your music sound dull and unprofessional. Mistake number four: overuse of effects. We've all been guilty of this at some point. We get excited at the new plugin or effect, we overuse it to the point where it sounds so ridiculous. So, how can we avoid this mistake? First, learn how to use effects subtly and tastefully. Mistake number five: lack of depth and layering. This is a mistake that can make your track sound flat and uninteresting. So, how can you avoid this mistake? First, learn how to create depth and layering using techniques like reverb, delay, and EQ. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you can take your music to the next level and create tracks that sound professional, polished, and engaging. Remember, making music is a process that takes time, effort, and practice to get it right. If this is valuable for you, you can check out the drum kit in the link below. This is for serious producers that really need a needle that can move their production in a big way. However, there's still a lot to learn about how we can make better music in a creative and interesting way. If you want to learn some of these ways, check out this video.